everyone, today I'm going to talk about the West Bengal Assembly election. So the recent West Bengal Assembly election has emerged as one of the most significant political events in Indian politics. The election attracted nationwide attention because it represented not only a contest for political power but also a battle of ideologies, leadership style, regional identity and governance model. And the result marked a historic shift in Bengal's political landscape and reflected changing voter preference across the state. The election was primarily fought between the BJP and the TMC, which is All India Trinamool Congress, led by Mamata Banerjee. For nearly 15 years, the TMC had dominated Bengal politics after defeating the left-fronted government in 2011. However, the recent election witnessed a dramatic political turnaround as the BJP secured a massive victory and formed the government in the state for the first time. Reports indicate that the BJP won more than 200 seats in the 294-member assembly, while the TMC suffered a major decline. One of the most important aspects of the election was the intense campaigning carried out by both parties. The BJP focused on issues such as corruption, law and order, political violence, unemployment and governance reform. On the other hand, the TMC highlighted its welfare scheme, regional pride and Bengali culture of identity. Women voters, youth and rural communities became crucial deciding factors during the election. Political rallies, roadshow and social media campaigns played a major role in influencing the public opinion. Leadership also became central to the election narrative. Mamata Banerjee remained the face of TMC and projected herself as a protector of Bengal's regional interest. Meanwhile, BJP leader Suvendu Adhikari emerged as a key figure in the party's campaign. His political experience and the strong grassroots connection helped the BJP expand its support base across the state. After the victory, Suvendu Adhikari was sworn in as the first BJP Chief Minister of West Bengal. Another significant feature of the election was the exceptionally high voter turnout. Citizens from urban as well as the rural areas participated enthusiastically in the democratic process. Analysts believe that the high turnout reflected the political awareness and active participation of Bengal's electorate. The election also demonstrated how political competition in India is becoming increasingly dynamic and unpredictable. The election results have important implications for nationwide politics. Bengal has traditionally been considered difficult terrain for the BJP, but the recent victory has strengthened the party's position in Eastern India. At the same time, the defeat of TMC marks the end of the long political era in the state. Political experts believe that the outcome may influence future electorate strategies of regional and nationwide parties across India. However, the election was not free from controversies. Concerns regarding political polarization, communal tension, misinformation, and allegations surrounding voter list revision were widely discussed in media and public debate. Despite these challenges, the election ultimately reflected the functioning of democratic institutions and the power of voters in shaping political change. In conclusion, the recent Bengal election was a landmark event in Indian democracy. It highlighted the importance of leadership, public welfare, political strategy and voter participation. The historic shift in power demonstrated that democracy remains a vibrant and dynamic in India. The election will likely be remembered as a turning point in Bengal's political history and a significant chapter in contemporary Indian politics. Thank you.